It's... One sec. It's my boss. But, like I was saying, that day we met, we had no idea what we were in for.
I know.
Sorry for texting. I just can't leave him hanging.
It's okay, really.
Thanks. I know I'll stress if I ignore this. I'd rather be catching up with you. But my boss needs me to put out his fires, as usual.
Want a drink? I've got it.
Yeah, thanks. That'd be great. Whatever you think's good, I'll get next round.
Can you state your name and your age into the camera?
Wait, what's all this for, anyways?
I'm making a documentary.
I'm Autumn Lockhart. I turned 16 last October. And I'm an army brat. Me and my folks moved here a few years ago. Sorry, are you rolling?
So, how do you kill time?
Skateboard? Sleep? Drink pop? Oh, I love video games. I'm saving up for this new fighting one. I crush Nora every time. Am I doing okay?
Anyone ever tell you that you look great on camera?
What? No way. But
You really look like an actress. You have a great look for movies.
no way. I did this play at school once and totally forgot my only line. Dad let me take a sip of his beer one time. Never tried it before. Blech. And Mom let me try a sip of her rum and Coke. Way better. Why would anyone pick beer over that? Anyways, that was when we were living in Germany. My dad was stationed there for a couple years. I miss it. Still keep in touch with one friend, though. He taught me how to skateboard. Drops me a postcard sometimes.
Who's this friend?
Dominic. He's into punk music, too. And his dad's also in the service. We were really tight. I think Nora gets jealous whenever I talk about him. Nora's the first person who really tried to get to know me. We're both kind of social outcasts, I guess.
Have you been friends with Nora a long time? How'd you meet?
In real years, 4. But it feels more like dog years. But, we met in detention. It was a Monday. By Friday, I was, living in her garage.
Detention? Really? Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah, I got dress coded, and shit, I can't even remember what Nora was in for that time. Nora keeps talking about moving to LA, but please, we're so not gonna be rock stars. I mean, maybe if I was singing lead. Nah, I'm just playing.
What's your wildest dream?
Whoa, we're going there already? Keeping it real. I know I'm not gonna be rich and famous. I want to do something that matters. And hopefully, I get out of this town, you know?
Hour prices can only be set using PLUs. The PLU refer to programming PLU descriptions on page 27.
Hi.
If that's the first step, why isn't it? Put the MGR key in the key slot and turn it to the proc position. What key? Where's there a key? Enter the manager passcode and press enter. I didn't set a passcode yet.
Hi. I'm ready to order.
I'll be right with you. Hey. Look, I'm sorry about that. I'm really bad with computers. So, how's your little reunion going? Reliving the good old days?
I'm happy to see her. We have a lot to catch up on.
Glad to have you both back, even if it's just for a visit. So, what'll it be?
Let's see. I'll get my friend's drink too.
Happy hour goes till 9.
Whiskey and Coke should do the trick.
And for you? Our drink specials are on the boards. I'll let you take a look. I'm good at guessing people's orders. Let's see, you're past the vodka cranberry stage.
I guess I'll try that frostbite cocktail. Kinda fits the weather.
Oh boy, you gotta love snow to come here this time of year. I'll get started on those drinks. Be right back.
Gross. No way. Are you kidding me? This song was so popular. Oh, talk about a moment in time. Damn, really should get myself a tripod.
Come on, stop leaning over. Just
There. Let's not smash on the floor.
and more said.
Hello, world. I'm Swan. Welcome to... Oh. Geez, I need a title. Welcome to the premiere of The Swan Show. New episodes every Wednesday at 9 p.m., 8 p.m. Central. First, I'll show you my natural habitat. Suburbia. It's cooler than it sounds.
Swan? Dinner!
Oh. Pardon the interruption from my, parental units. Hopefully that will be the last one. Oh, I'll show you around Velvet Cove for sure. But first, I gotta tell you, I met these girls, and I owe them big time. Wait, let me back up and describe them. First, there's Nora. She's gonna be a senior this fall. We go to the same school, but I never talked to her before. Nora's funny. She has, like, no filter. Like the class clown or something, but cooler. She asked me to film her, but I said I couldn't. She didn't like that, but, Autumn needed me. Long story. Then there's Autumn. She's Nora's best friend. She's in my grade at school, too. But, we never met before this. Autumn's so cool. She, like, has a job and she's not afraid to tell someone off. Like that Corey guy. He went after her and stole her keys. We got them back, thankfully. Finally, Kat. She's my age, but homeschooled. We never met before either. Kat has a lot of passion. She's kind of like a firecracker. It's intense, but I like it. And she even stood up for me. She told her own sister off just to save me. She's so amazing. And then there's me, Swan. Something about Swan. I'm usually pretty shy, I guess. I'm not really used to being around, like, people. I hope we can hang out a lot while I'm still here. I'm moving away at the end of summer, so... I have so much stuff to pack. I hope we stay friends. I like them a lot. I just hope I don't mess things up somehow. Anyway, we're meeting up tomorrow.
Here you go.
Thanks. How much?
$11. You want to pay now or start a tab?
Here, keep the change.
Thanks. Oh, there she is. Pam! This girl grew up here, in Velvet Cove.
No way. What's your name, dear?
Oh, geez. I didn't even ask her name yet.
Aw, come on, Gus. Where's your manners, you old dog?
Oh, hi. I'm Swan.
Hi, Swan. I'm Pam.
Her friend's from here, too. The young lady in the booth.
Oh?
They're having a little reunion. Isn't that awesome?
I wouldn't call us young.
Oh, please. With that baby face? Let me guess. You were 27, tops? You're not allowed to guess, Gus.
Okay.
43.
Oh. Your 40s. That's a wonderful age. Make sure you savor it.
Listen to the lady. She knows her stuff.
You picked the right place for conversation. Gus runs a good shop.
Good for conversation. Well, are you saying this place doesn't get rowdy sometimes?
Well, I should get back to my friend. Nice meeting you.
You too, Swan.
Let me get your regular, Pam.
Thanks.
And Miss Swan, let me know if you need anything.
Will do. Thanks for the drinks.
How's the night been so far, Gus?
It was good until you showed up.
Oh, I ought to give you a wedgie for that.
Joking! Honestly, I was hoping you'd be here tonight.
We should go home. I think there's something over here.
Hot ice.
Ta-da! Thanks. What do I owe you?
Nothing. I got it.
Next one's on me then. Oh, a cocktail. Thanks.
That'd be nice.
You must have read my mind. Because I don't like beer that much.
I got you a whiskey and Coke. I think I remember you liking these.
Oh, close. Rum and Coke was also my favorite.
Went for the frostbite cocktail?
Okay, cool. So you drank. I wasn't sure when I texted you. Felt a bit weird inviting y'all out to a bar without knowing, but
How was work today?
not much else out here.
I never used to drink back then. alcohol is an acquired taste, I guess.
So, so, cheers? Wanna make a toast?
Sure.
To...
Let's drink to finding each other again in this weird timeline.
Right? I just hope that's all there is to it. Cheers. Honestly, I wasn't sure you'd show up, Swan. I was nervous, if we're being real. No, it's not what we agreed to back then. We swore to never see each other again. I mean, that was serious. I almost turned back myself.
I don't think I realized how much I missed you.
Aw, I've missed you too. Anyway, thank you for being here tonight. Sorry if I'm being weird. I'm feeling a little stressed out. I never thought I'd come back here.
I'm so sorry, Autumn. I understand it. It's a lot to talk about.
27 years was a long time ago. When I try to remember what happened back then, my mind goes in circles.
I've been trying to remember, like, really digging, but it feels like something just out of reach, you know? Like, foggy images.
Well, there's a lot I want to say, but better to talk once we're all here. I remember you moved to Canada back in the day. You still live there now? I know catching up isn't really the point of this meetup, but I think it'd be nice.
I did end up staying in Canada. I'm just on the other side of the lake. Same view, better healthcare.
That sounds nice. Please tell me it's more chill where you live than in Atlanta. I've lived in the city for so long, it's pretty hard to picture moving anyplace else.
Yeah, it is chill. And, you know, I've always enjoyed small town life. There's a small bookshop there to keep me occupied. I help run the place. It's called Friend's Nook. It's peaceful. I like it.
Oh, what is this peace you speak of? Cool. I can't believe it, but sometimes I miss the cold up here. I found an ice rink back home, and I've been taking skating lessons. My son is really into hockey. My ex has tried to get him into basketball instead, but no dice.
Oh, you have a son. Congratulations.
Oh, thanks. It has been a while, hasn't it? But enough about me. Let's talk about you. Seeing anyone special? Sorry, didn't mean to put you on the spot.
I'm single, free as the wind and loving it.
Good for you.
Thanks. How about you?
I dated this woman I met on one of those apps for a bit last year. Didn't work out, but I was proud that I put myself out there. You know?
Yeah.
Swan, catching up like this, it means a lot. I know we're here for a bigger reason, but I'm just glad we can talk a bit. Like we used to.
I agree, Autumn. catching up. It's really nice.
So, you must be wondering why we're here tonight. Do you remember what happened? Why we made our promise?
No. I just know something bad happened.
I'm worried. Someone's got a grudge. Last week, my mom found a package on her doorstep. She recognized the name on it. Somehow. Here it is.
Whoa. For bloom and rage. Wait. Our bloom and rage?
I know. Like, who would remember us? Now. It's been years.
Oh, God. Are we in trouble?
I know it brings up a lot of old shit.
Look, isn't this so cool? Yeah.
They can't hear me. And now I'm talking to myself.
Someone knock?
Dude, I don't think she's gonna show.
I'm telling you, she'll be here. Swan's cool.
She seems shy, you know? But I hope she
I
comes.
think she's just awkward. Anna?
Hey! She actually showed. Welcome! See? Told you.
Yeah. You didn't miss much, Swan. We're just messing around.
Come in!
Dude, what was that band you were talking about again? I wanna write it down.
Sleater-Kinney. They're pretty new, I think.
I was so nervous.
Really? Why?
I thought you were all so much cooler than me.
I knew she'd show! We should've...
This place is awesome.
Thanks. Autumn didn't think you'd show. Oh, hard.
Ignore her. She just loves to stir shit up. Swan, I'm glad you came to hang with us. Nora liked to amuse herself by making me squirm.
Oh yeah, there's all sorts of weird shit in here. Might look good in your movie.
Yeah, film, whatever. We'll just be warming up.
Thanks.
Back to it, Nor.
Fair warning?
Oh, I used to love filming everything around me. Nora's garage was a cinematic gold mine.
You know what? I still can't fucking believe Corey. Such a dickwad.
Just glad we found them. I would have been in deep shit.
Does Corey know we found them?
Are you serious? I screamed it in his face when he brought Dylan home.
Good.
Did he cry? Not in front of Dylan, but I bet he did when he got home.
So, what's your band called?
The Spiel!
No. I never agreed to that.
The spew? Like, puke?
Yeah.
It'd be funny if you, like, chucked orange slime at the audience.
Oh, so There was this one time I got food poisoning from a corn dog at a carnival.
Lunch.
And I barfed all over the tilt-a-whirl. Fuck. They banned me for life.
Jeez,
It's true.
Wow.
That's the spew. I still hate that story.
My bedroom was nothing like Nora's lair. I felt like a nerd in comparison.
Until you got to know us better.
Yeah, we were all a little weird.
They're so
That made me happy.
Cool. My mom gets these at the dollar store sometimes.
She's got good taste.
Can I, move this out of the way?
Seriously, Swan? Don't bother asking. Just move it wherever.
Cat,
Yeah.
did you play anything?
I tried to learn the clarinet in 6th grade, but practicing scales is so boring.
Truth.
Your folks out?
You're there at the mall. How'd you guess?
Because no one's banged on the ceiling telling us to keep it down.
Nora's folks were never really present. She kinda raised herself.
I think that's enough.
Get anything good, Swan?
No, the good stuff is up here.
So humble. You're flat on B, Nor.
Yeah, well, maybe I'm punk and I wanna be flat.
Okay, enough screwing around. Let's play already.
Shit! Where's my fucking pick?
You lost it again? You're so funny, Nor.
Could someone grab me a guitar pick? Swan?
Sure.
The Tharp one's her favorite.
Don't see it.
I stashed my collection in the video tower somewhere, next to the TV.
Love those. Ugh, my son will never know the joy of all that artificial flavoring.
One, two, three. Eyes up.
In your dream.
Cat and Swan are in the place. Now we're gonna rock that face.
Oh my god. You mean
I'm on camera?
Sneaky Swan?
Hi!
Can't help it. The camera loves me.
Awesome.
Catherine, our biggest fan.
That doesn't even rhyme.
Auntie doesn't like my rhyme.
Nope. Doesn't rhyme at all.
Swan had to sit, so she moved our shit. Autumn doesn't like the spew.
my secret weed stash. Good hiding spot, right?
Ooh, Nora's an outlaw.
You know it!
Hey, the due date to return that one was 2 weeks ago.
Dean knows better than to try to charge me late fees.
Yeah, I think he's totally scared of you now.
He should be.
Who's Dean?
Autumn's ex. Real SOB.
The one who quotes Pulp Fiction, like, constantly?
Yep. And he sucks. Thinks he's a future Tarantino because he works at the video store.
Ugh, can we please stop talking about Dean now? Thanks.
Ugh. Roger.
Oh, found it! Here. How's this one?
Autumn, look! Reminds me of Halloween in Milwaukee.
I wonder where my Tharp pick went.
Tell her the story. Nora was at the mall with her dad.
Oh, yeah! He was giving me shit about my eyeliner. So I ran to the makeup counter, smeared that crap all over my face.
Hell yeah.
Next thing I knew, he told me I could walk home. So I did. After I flipped him off. Took me a few hours, but I found some shortcut through the expressway.
Dude, he sounds like an asshole.
I looked awesome. He was pissed. I can't believe he made you walk the whole way, though.
Your dad sounds mean.
He's kind of chilled out since he met Linda. It's... whatever. When I got home, this pic was in a free stuff box, like, right on my block. Kind of lucky, right?
Whoa, score! Sounds like a good day to me. Minus being at the mall.
Right? The malls around here suck.
Nora always hated shopping, unless it was in LA with her mom. She was bougie as hell, even back then.
I'd go to the mall with you sometime. It'd be more fun than going with my mom.
I mostly go for the makeup counter samples. They're free, you know?
Come on, let's play. Take a seat wherever, Swan.
Sorry. Autumn always says I talk too much.
Prepare to have your mind blown.
You mean ears, right?
Yeah, good point.
1, 2, 3. Adam's happening.
In your dreams.
Cat and Swan are in the place. Now we're gonna rock their face.
I think we're good on mic check. Have you written any of your own songs yet?
Nah, we mostly play covers.
Oh, I write some poetry for a Seattle zine.
What? That's so cool.
Cat's a poet, but we didn't know it.
Really? Can we read it?
Oh, I don't know. It's really not a big deal.
Hey. So... this is cool, right?
Yeah, I can't complain. I like weirdos.
Hey. We are.
But you are a weirdo with a camera. Ever caught some freaky shit on tape? Tell us.
Oh my God.
What? She's not just filming balloons all day, right? Come on, Swan. Spill.
I filmed a used condom once. On the ground at a campsite. I didn't touch it.
Too bad you didn't catch them in the act.
I love paranormal stuff, though. And, like, monsters. You know Dogman?
Yeah? Oh my God, that reminds me.
Do I even want to know?
So, like, there was this one thing I wish I caught on film because no one ever believes me. You guys are gonna freak out. Back when I still went hunting with my dad, we saw this massive buck. And it stood up on its hind legs and looked right at us. Seriously, like a human. I swear. Also, It had like this massive boner.
What the fuck?
That's crazy. He's a flasher. My dad freaked out, like, put that away.
Wow. I love you, freaks.
Jeez.
You're crazy. Take a load off, Swan. There's a seat over there.
Relax, Swan. You don't have to, like, stand at attention in here.
Shoot.
Oops. What'd I do?
Did something break?
Hold on.
So, Swan, what's your favorite band?
Oh, let me guess. The Beatles?
Classic. I could see it.
Or maybe the Stones?
Oh, I hated being put on the spot. My dad makes me listen to classic rock in the car. It's not so bad.
Wait, really?
I've always been clueless about music.
Well, you knew way more about movies than any of us.
To each their own.
Remember sneaking from one movie to another in the multiplex? You still watch the same kind of movies? I'm still a total horror junkie to this day.
Yes, horror movies have gotten so good lately.
Right? And sometimes the black characters even survive until the end nowadays. I remember we always liked the same movies.
I love Interview with the Vampire. Kinda weird, I know.
I've watched it
Not weird.
at least 100 times.
What about Rocky Horror?
Oh, I like that too.
Oh, hey! It's working now!
We need someone on drums.
Swan?
Do it! Do
Come
it!
here.
I'll show you how it works.
We need some drums, Swan.
Oh, God. That was
It's
so
okay.
awkward.
We all had our moments. Whoa. Looks like it's still in one piece. How about you?
Sorry. I space out sometimes.
It's okay. Skateboarder's wisdom. Never land on your wrists.
Makes sense.
Don't worry, Swan. I'll catch you next time.
I want to see you skateboard on him. I bet you look so cool.
Really? Well, I can show you some tricks sometime.
So, are you guys gonna play or what?
Yeah. You ready, Swan? I'll help.
I'm ready.
You have to start the beat first. Use the switch on the upper right. It's easy. So, you got your instruments in the middle. The first is the kick, the snare is second, and the third is the toms. That last button on the right is the hi-hat. And, that's it. Try them out. You can change the sample bank too, by the way. It's that first button on the left.
Oh, nice.
That sounds cool.
All set?
Yeah, that's it.
Nice beat, Swan.
Oh, goodness. I'll sing my heart out, promise.
Ready for your close-up?
crushed it. Dude, that was fucking epic.
Encore! Thanks.
I want to write a song for you guys.
What? Oh my god!
Seriously? That'd be so cool.
What's it sound like?
I gotta write it first, dummy.
Oh, right.
Guys, listen. We should make a music video!
That would be crazy. Swan, you up for that?
I'm not like a real director.
Says who? You are, if you say you are.
Okay.
Hold up. If this is serious, we're gonna need a real band name. Cat?
Hello? We already have one. You can't kill the spew.
Can and did. It's dead and buried.
Could we shoot at the crow's nest? It's this awesome trail. I know a few good spots where the light filters through the trees in this really cool way.
Let's scout it out.
Okay, Kat. Let's hear what you got. What's our name?
Hold on, I think I've got one. How about Bloom and Rage?